go margin all. Probably I can come back with 40k again. That's me, you know. So maybe brokers want you guys who rest. You are brokers, but because of the broker, guys, it pays. Understand? And the other thing, there is no broker which ever took me from PTA to go and teach people. Yeah, there is no one. But that one probably cares about everyone, you know, because it took a lot of mentors this year to come and teach you the market, you know. And imagine a broker taking a person to come and teach you how to kill it. It's something, bro. It's something new. You know, your brokers don't do that. You know, they don't do that because there's no mentor palang pure price section. So and they should admit about that. So hence you can never see me getting.
Have you been looking for a reliable broker or looking to upgrade to a safer broker that values its customers and has a history in the industry? Well guys, look no further than AAAFx. This broker has 14 years industry experience. This means they've been in business from over a decade and their ability to work with the customer is amazing, as they make the customer success their top priority. AAAFx is an online broker that is based in Athens, Greece, founded in 2008, and it has traders in 176 countries around the world. On their platform, there are over 200 instruments to trade. They offer 3 trading platforms, of which it is the most popular one, MT4, and the next generation platform, MT5, and the most advanced technology platform, XTrader. You can trade using your desktop devices, laptops, iOS, Android cell phone, and tablet, so that you can be able to execute those trades while you're on the move. As of 2022, they are current winners of the most transparent broker by UF Awards. Why should you join them? Well, I'm gonna tell you why I chose to join them. Well, besides having my favorite instruments, which are the currencies, since I'm a forex trader, you also find instruments like indices, which works great for me since I also trade Nasdaq and US 30. There are shares in spot metals and a vast number of other CSDs and commodities you can choose from. When I make my deposit, I receive 100% deposit bonus, which means I've got nothing to lose but something to gain. And you can make your deposit at the minimum of $100 only. One thing that stands out about them for me, it is that since I'm a forex trader on over 70 currency pairs, they've got 0 pip spread and also 0 commission upon executing your trade. AAAFx team of professionals are available to assist you 24 hours from Monday to Friday for any challenge that you may come across. Furthermore, AAAFx has a Zulu trade copy trade system, which allows you to copy the trade of the professional traders who have been trading in the industry, and also saving you time and hassle of having to analyze and always in front of your screen. So you can just copy any successful trader's trades on their system. As the Zulu trade system ranks each and every trader's success rate over a period of time, you can also copy the trades of that successful trader on that given week. So take it from me, Mr. Forex and beyond, and place your first trade with AAAFx in less than 15 minutes. And before you do that, you're gonna need to register with them, of which it takes only a minute. And these are the following documents that you're gonna need: your ID photo, your proof of residence, and you can deposit instantly using their over 10 methods of deposit available on their system. And from there, you can start your successful trading journey. And for more details or to register, click the link in the description box and start trading and let your trading journey begin. Good luck.
Exposure or any fundings to go and teach people, you know. So I appreciate that. I do appreciate that, and you guys should be appreciating that, because the first 3 seminar that I attended was made by JP Markets, and it actually gave me light to the market. So imagine the market takes Nasdaq Ninja today and say, go and teach the people. It's something new, guys. It's something new. They're probably teaching you to kill the market, you know, and it's something, you know. Yes, you love your exness, your whatever, but they don't care about you. They don't know you. They're here for the money. You get the point. But for vol markets, bro, it's an inspiration because it cares, you know. I'm black, bro. When I get in there, they treat me like a white person, and I'll be like, yeah, that's what I want. My clients, I got no clients which can come in this life and complain about withdrawal. No, you're lying. That's not Nasdaq Ninja. I wanna prove that, bro. Like, cause you trade with my strategy, you need to get your cash. You understand? Because at the end of the day, tomorrow it will be me making large money. and then I don't get it because of such things. You get the point. But nonetheless, guys, like I was saying, it's no pressure. We don't need no pressure. You don't need no pressure. You just gotta relax. You just gotta relax. These people drive slow. I don't know hore. Oka via Kopela number 7 got 200 got 2. Asipolo ntwe. You understand? Bobby Sek in the building. Shout out to you, the lazy trader. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out. Yeah, like I was saying, guys, you know, if brokers can do that, we should appreciate that only. Like, brokers need to give us these mentors to come and teach us. To come and teach us and talk. To come and teach us. To come and teach us, cause hey dog, like other brokers, they're selfish. They won't do that. They won't do that. I wanna get to your level. You don't need to get to my level, dog. You need to have a level that you wanna reach. You understand? Maybe it has to be bigger than mine. Nah, like I told you guys, I never told anyone that I'm successful. I never. I just have cash, yeah, we appreciate that, but are you successful, Ninja? I never told anyone that I'm successful because I have goals and plans. Hey, when I get channel number 8, did you? What's up? I'm sure now. I'll drive us slow. Nene nyaga rates mo. Selebe nyani no so. I'm a long chair now. Let's on CP, let's lose it. Spell Nasdaq in the building. What up, my G? You're killing the car. Dog, like this car and Donna, it's one of the inspiration in my life. You know, guys, nah, you know, I don't like talking too much. Checks are launching. How fees is on? MRCP, let's not say. Hola. How do you make so much profit? Hey, I don't know, guys, because hey, these days around, it's all about me, not no. I'm not a. You know, I mastered one thing. I'm on Jumila, son. On Jumila, son. Mashallah, you should know it. Guys, having a car when you're a kid, that's boring because you just want to race with everyone here in the street. Trust me, I do that. But it's nice. It's a nice experience, you understand? It's a nice experience. But there are those cars, dog, I respect. I know that, hey, here, don't play with fire, ninja. Understand? I know, like, there are those cars, I know that here you don't play with fire. There is difference Golf 7. This one is latest model. 7.5. Launch, please, guys. Remember, I didn't modify my exhaust, so obviously you might not hear it. It needs in an echo place. Please, how much are your classes and signals? And guys, what I like about this broker, right? Like, you know, sometimes we follow trend. You know, trend, guys. People who want to make the broker to fall. Hey, demand. Understand? Like, guys, you never, like, now I trade, guys. If you take my 50,000 K,